If you're looking to move into the city of Doral, this may be an opportunity of a lifetime for you to be able to acquire a large 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathroom townhome with 1-car garage and a massive driveway. You can park up to 8 vehicles in this property because it's sitting on an oversized lot of 3,500 square feet. This property has over 1,898 square feet under AC and is going to be located at 9775 Northwest 44th Terrace in the Doral Chase community, right behind LA Fitness and 36th Street. It's going to be listed for $690,000 and you can tour this property today. If you want to check it out yourself, all you got to do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to schedule your private tour today. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. Let's go check out the inside.